Lecture number 20. We proceed with one more reaction of aldehydes and ketones, a very important reaction. A direct question may be expected for 3 marks in the exam. Explain the reducing properties of aldehydes. They can ask directly, write Fellings, Stolons and Sif's reagent. Or they can ask you the reactions which are only given by aldehydes, which are not given by ketones. ये सभी रिएक्शंस जो है they are only given by aldehydes which are not given by ketones. Reason, aldehydes contain a replaceable hydrogen which is not there in ketones. So the reaction is not given by ketone. That is the very first thing. Now, try to understand what is Fellings solution. Fellings solution. First of all, it is a very mild oxidizing agent. It consists of two parts, Fellings solution A and Fellings solution B. तो ये A है, ये B है. What is A? What is Fellings solution? First of all, it is a tartaric acid complex of cupric ions. What did I say? It is a tartaric acid complex of cupric ions. What does it mean? अभी A में क्या है? It is containing aqueous copper sulfate. Aqueous है, copper sulfate है. तो we have written the A solution in the form of Cu2+. So this is the presentation of A. That is aqueous copper sulfate. What is B? It is a alkaline solution of sodium potassium tartarate. Tartaric acid का the hydrogen is being replaced by sodium and potassium. The same is called as a Rochelle salt. Alkaline है, तो this is B. This is your Fellings solution B, and A and B together forming Fellings solution. And then an aldehyde reacts with it. See, you can see the change. जो blue color है, it is converted to a red colored precipitate. Cu2 plus का charge है. What is the charge on Cu2O? It is +1. So 2 plus is converted to +1. Okay. So what is that? That is cuprous oxide. Cupric is converted to cuprous. Blue is converted to red. You can balance the reaction well. And so that is Fellings solution. The reaction which is not given by ketone, even this reaction is not given by aromatic aldehydes, like for example benzaldehyde, because ये mild oxidizing agent है. I repeat, Fellings solution A and B together. What is A? It is aqueous copper sulfate and B is alkaline. दोनों मिलके बनता है Fellings solution, and that is reacted with the aldehyde. That is Fellings solution. The next we proceed with, that is called as Tollens reagent. What is Tollens reagent? What is Tollens reagent? It is a silver ammonia complex. What is it? It is a silver ammonia complex. It's a stronger oxidizing agent when we compare it with Fellings. The same reaction is also called as the silver mirror test. Why? Because actually you get a silver mirror which is formed at the edge of the test tube. So the same is called as a silver mirror test. Okay, I have given how a Tollens reagent is formed. Okay, it's not required, just for your information I have told how is it formed. It is a silver nitrate reacting with excess of NH4OH. The first example, it reacts, it is an example of double decomposition. You get AgOH and NH4NO3. In the next step, AgOH again reacts with NH4OH to form a Tollens reagent, that is a complex, that is a silver ammonia complex. Now, so aldehyde reacts with a Tollens reagent. When we heat it, so what do you get is you get actually a silver mirror form. Reducing agent matlab itself it is oxidized to acetic acid. You get silver, either colloidal form of silver which is a grey colored, or you get a silver mirror actually which is formed at the edge of the test tube. Water and ammonia, these are the byproducts of Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent is a silver ammonia complex. Again, this reaction is not given by ketone, but the reaction is given by benzaldehyde because Tollens is stronger as compared to Fehling's. The third, that is called as the Schiff's reagent. Now one thing clear, Schiff's base, if you remember, we had reacted ammonia derivatives का the very first reaction was with the primary amine. तो वो हमको मिला था Schiff's base. And what is this? This is Schiff's reagent. The two are different. They are not same. What is Schiff's reagent? It is a dye. What is the name of a dye? यहाँ पे सिर्फ statement है, reaction नहीं है. The name of the dye is para-rosanilene hydrochloride. It is a magenta colored dye. Dye matlab the one which is used to impart color. So it's a dye. You pass sulfur dioxide gas through it till it becomes colorless. Okay? Till it becomes colorless. And then it is reacted with aldehyde. When it is reacted with aldehyde, you get the original color. So it is said that it is restores the color. Restore matlab kya? We get the color back, which again confirms the presence of an aldehyde. The reaction is not given by ketones again. So these three reactions exclusively given by aldehydes, not given by ketones, are very important reactions explaining the reducing properties of aldehydes. Okay.